Hi, my name is Arbiana Murturi and I chose Dior for my final project. Starting off with its history, Dior was founded in 1946 by Christian Dior in Paris. Dior has entrusted 7 works to 7 fashion designers who had a part in constructing its history. Christian Dior, Yves Saint Laurent, Marc Bohan, Gianfranco Ferré, John Galliano, Raf Simons, and Maria Grazia Chiuri. Rouet appoints Yves Saint Laurent as artistic director of the house. Saint Laurent leaves the house of Dior after creating 6 collections. Marc Bohan succeeds him at the age of 34 in 1960. Christian Dior holds a 32% stake in the share capital of LVMH in 1988. In 1996, John Galliano is appointed the new director of design, replacing Gianfranco Ferré. In 2016, Maria Grazia Chiuri takes over the reins of design at the house. Dior's vision statement is to become the world's most popular brand in all products that enhance their lifestyle. Their corporate social responsibility is, since its founding, the LVMH Group has ensured that these practices reflect the highest standards of integrity, responsibility, and respect for stakeholders. Employees enjoy a work environment in which they can express their talent and apply their skills and expertise. Our maisons define and adapt their production processes, habits, and behavior to pursue continuous improvement in addressing the environmental issues we face. We provide resources and competencies to support public interest initiatives and corporate philanthropy, and promote access to the arts and culture for a broad public. Protecting the environment is both an imperative and a source of progress at Dior. Preserving natural resources and integrating the environmental dimension into products. Dior helps protect the environment by forging partnerships with business groups, public authorities, and NGOs. Guided by the LIFE program, LVMH and its maisons work in a spirit of cooperation with stakeholders to make a positive contribution to best practices and address environmental issues through the entire value chain. Some business strategies are that Dior is one of the trendsetter companies in the fashion industry. Dior promotes its brand by sponsoring exhibition shows, fashion shows, and connecting itself with different celebrities like Johnny Depp, Rihanna, Robert Pattinson, and many others. The business part of Dior is divided into 3 groups that bring in revenue. It operates in segments such as wholesale, retail, and other activities and license royalties. Retail and other activity businesses generated 971 million euros, wholesale generated 56 million euros, and through license royalties it generated 15 million euros revenue. Dior's distribution strategy. Dior gives out its offerings through many channels such as exclusive stores, e-commerce sites, multi-brand stores, and high-end supermarkets to make the products available globally. Christian Dior Couture Group have more than 4,000 stores globally and with presence in 35 countries across the globe. Their marketing strategy. Dior promotes its classic designs through exhibition. Dior manages multiple social media accounts that appeal to different demographics. Also, Dior Eyes creates virtual reality experience in runway shows. Decision making. According to Sidney Toledano, the serving chief executive of Dior, says, "When it comes to making decisions, I explain the objective, everyone puts their cards on the table, and at the end I say, okay, we will do this, and explain why. They might not like it, but they can accept it because they understand it." When he is looking to hire new employees, he looks at body language more than a resume when he wants to understand their personality. For how the brand organizes, it was hard to find something, so I found this chart of the board of members, and it talks about like who the CEO is, chairman of the board, directors, It has 9 board members. For motivation, there wasn't much to go on motivation, so I'm going to talk about employee benefits. Some are 401k, they have paid holidays and vacation, life insurance and disability, they have paid sick leave. They also get employee discounts, and also employees feel honored to work at Dior, and the same goes for many other premium brand organizations. They know what they are working for, a company that did something great, and they can expect that they will be part of even greater things in the future. I found this quote by Adrian Kosiak, and quality assurance. Dior pays great attention to ensuring that their manufacture complies with the legislation in effect in France and Europe. Dior is committed to manufacturing its products in countries that have the best expertise for the product in question. You have 30 days to return your item if you are not satisfied. To provide you with a unique experience, we pay particular attention to the preparation of your order. Each order is prepared in a Dior workshop and individually packaged in its presentation case, tied with a silk ribbon. The presentation case is then inserted into a box that will protect it and keep it anonymous during shipping. Warranties, authentication certificates, and return voucher will be included with your order. I've personally ordered with Dior before, and I love their packaging. It's very classy and elegant. Dior does have a human resources department. The principles set out in this code of conduct provide an ethical framework for all the actions of LVMH and its staff. LVMH expects exemplary behavior by its employees, fully respecting the group's ethical commitments. They encourage a diversity of profiles and backgrounds. Dior promotes the development of young talents through partnerships with schools and universities. Also, Dior takes initiatives to recruit, develop, and retain talents that respect gender diversity. It has set up programs including mentoring and active support for talented women.